Hi everyone, my name is Jiarou. Today I'm going to present my research topic, characterizing sustainable clay roof tiles repair of heritage building based on green maintenance model, a case study of Sultan Abdul Samad building. British Standard Institution 1984 defined the term maintenance as the combination of all technical and assorted administrative actions with any intervention which were carried out to retain an item in order or restore it to a state in which it can perform its required function. Carbon reduction has turned into a global target nowadays to embrace sustainability and address of key issues related to the reduction of embodied carbon expenditure, expended during maintenance or repair work. And the problem statement, the heritage building met the significant challenges as they were recognized as hard to decarbonize and contributed to detrimental environmental impact. Besides that, there are also no study to date on how the life cycle environmental performance of roofing varies with material choices during repair work process. So we can determine it by using the EMI life cycle assessment (LCA). According to the international standard ISO 14040, life cycle assessment (LCA) or life cycle analysis is a technique for product-related estimation of environmental aspects and also impacts. So in this research paper, I'm going to investigate the cradle to site, from raw materials until the transportation stage. The first methodology that I will be going to use is qualitative data to establish the relationship between green maintenance model and sustainable clay roof tiles repair material for the heritage building. Second, quantitative data. I will be using a mathematical framework and also equations to analyze the ideal sustainable clay roof tiles repair material for the case study in terms of EMI using LCA. And last, I'll be using a mixed method to recommend the sustainable clay roof tiles repair for the heritage building based on green maintenance model. My case study is Sultan Abdul Samad building in Jalan Raja, KL, and the clay rooftop tiles that have been used in my case study is Masali clay roof tiles. And in the good old days, Sultan Abdul Samad building housed the British colonial administration, and it had been gazetted as National Heritage on 24 December 2008, and now it serves as an office for the Ministers of Information, Communications and Culture of Malaysia. And the last major renovation in Sultan Abdul Samad building would be 2019, and the major defect problem for the building is roofing structure. For the results and findings, I'll be comparing three different manufacturers for the clay roof tile. First is Monier, second GCI, and third Jiarou. In my research paper, I will be using different mathematical framework and also equations to calculate the mass of tiles and approximate repair roof area for three types of different Masali tiles, and also calculate the functional units of embodied carbon for three types of Masali tiles. Besides that, I also need to figure out the overall embodied carbon expenditure for three types of Masali tiles, the frequency within 100 years arbitrary period, and the overall total EMI. So from the table 1, we can actually figure out the least total embodied carbon expenditure would be using the Jiarou Masali clay roof tiles. In conclusion, the green maintenance model has proved its theoretical capability in the efforts of reducing embodied carbon dioxide in the heritage building in selecting appropriate roofing material and contributes to a low environmental impact. Also, Masali has been chosen as the historic tiles for repair maintenance purpose to retain the heritage cultural value. However, there are different manufacturers of Masali that can be selected for a better result in terms of the environmental impact and cost. So the best option for this research paper would be the Jiarou Masali manufacturer. The green maintenance model should be a foundation for referencing in maintenance and repair work, and it also helps to determine the green materials to be used, green material implementation strategies, and ways to reduce the carbon emissions. So based on the result and analysis in the previous chapter, the Masali Jiarou manufacturer is suggested. So a carbon handbook repair technique could be developed and act as a reference or guideline in future for better maintenance planning policy. So these are my recommendations for the research paper. Lastly, these are my reference for my research paper. And thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.